Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the harness and removing power. This prevents shorts and false readings. Once done, tag connectors so you know each end. You set your multimeter to continuity or the lowest ohms range, then verify the meter on a known good path so your readings are trustworthy. Next, separate and lay the wiring runs flat and unclipped. This reduces parallel coupling and makes individual wires accessible. Make sure to note shielded or bundled conductors before probing for consistent results. You probe each conductor from one end to the other, using back probes or gently extracting pins for reliable contact. Once you get a reading, interpret it. Near 0 ohms means direct continuity. A few ohms suggests long length or thin gauge, and very high or open indicates a break. Make sure to also check for unexpected continuity between adjacent conductors and between conductors and chassis ground, because that reveals shorts or insulation failures. If harnesses are multi-core, test pairwise. To finish, you document every measured value and clearly mark any failed conductors for repair or replacement. Once marked, choose a repair method that preserves integrity. Crimp with proper terminals plus adhesive-lined heat shrink or solder with corrosion protection. Match gauge and insulation. After repairs, retest continuity and compare to your recorded values to confirm restoration. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: wiggle sections while testing to find intermittent breaks caused by corrosion, fatigue, or hidden conductor strands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.